Recently, I learned that many of you are curious about how to take care of your cast iron cookware. So I thought I'd show you how we do it in the test kitchen and share a recipe that's buttery delicious too. When you first buy cast iron cookware and get it home, or if you haven't used it in a while, you want to rinse it with hot water. Then use a stiff brush to scrub it, but make sure you don't use any soap. Then generously wipe the inside with a paper towel that's been dipped in vegetable oil before placing your cookware in a hot oven for about an hour. This is called seasoning the pan. After carefully removing it, let it cool and it's ready to use. Once you've used it, you can clean it with hot water and a scrub brush. You can also use a salt scrub if need be, but never use dish soap or let it soak. Otherwise, you'll have to season it all over again. Once you've seasoned your pan, why not celebrate by whipping up a batch of buttermilk biscuits? They're so flaky and full of buttery goodness, they're hard to resist. To get the recipe for our cast iron buttermilk biscuits, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cast iron way for you to say, ooh, it's